Hey, this is Nick with the Roof Mentors. I'm here for Miss Martha Ghassemi doing a repair attempt. We do have our brand new shingle. Took the photos of it in the original packaging and everything else. This is the Owens Corning Supreme AR in Onyx Black, which I believe was the RLS match sent from State Farm. So we're just going to do a documentation. As you can see, we do have a crease shingle right here that we're going to swap out. So I'm going to start by unsealing the shingles, finding where this shingle ends. All right, so shingle ends right here. Just to confirm, correct. Yep. So we're going to be 1, 2, 3. That is going to be our repair. And we want to take a photo of the conditions of the shingles currently. And we're going to begin by removing the nails. Old one out. You get a look at the difference between those two shingles as well. So that's the front of them. That's the back of them as well. Put the new shingle in. There we go. I have brand new 1-inch nails actually. So these will be sufficient. A little shorter than what we normally use, but see, I'm gonna have to lift the shingle up high enough to get my nail in perpendicular. Now, I'll wipe off any loose granules to simulate the first rain. All right, come here, please. As you can see, you have cracking starting in the matting. You can see where it's starting to look like a wind crease shingle right here. You also see it on this shingle right here. You also see the actual fiberglass in the matting showing right there. Granule loss right here, more cracking in the matting as well right there. This is what we look for on if these repairs are going to hold up or not. Due to the damage to the actual matting of the fiberglass, these shingles are going to lose their wind resistance ability. So this repair did fail.